Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to LN Studio tutorial 140, and today's topic is how to add a marching dots animation in a UML diagram in ALN Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the next page you will be redirected to the workspace page. Over there you need to select Concept Sketcher, because in ALN Studio, if you want to generate a UML diagram, you need to do it through Concept Sketcher. I have already generated the diagram for my use case. I have put up my UML code, which is user, order and payment. It's a very simple flow, and this got generated for me in 15 to 20 seconds. Today we are talking about the animation. So kindly open the animation panel and go to the second option of marching dots, and you can see the dots have started marching around the edges, showing the flow of the diagram. If you want to update the number of dots, you can do it from here. If you want to update the dot spacing, you can do it from here. If you want to update the animation speed, this is the bar. If you want to change the depth field, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot size, this is the bar. If you want to change the dot color, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot intensity, you can do it from here. So basically, adding a marching dot animation in ALN Studio helps you to make your UML diagrams more dynamic and easy to understand. This is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.